In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to use the mileage equivalence calculator located on the Walk Across Texas website. So first, go to walkacrosstexas.tamu.edu in your browser. And then once the home page loads up, click on the green calculator button located at the top of the page. And this will open up the mileage equivalence calculator screen. And you can use this calculator to convert any type of activity into miles walked. So I'll give you a couple of examples here. So you first start out by entering in your weight, then you enter in the total number of minutes you did this activity, and then you have to choose your activity. And for this first example, we're going to choose walking. We click the select specific activity button, and then we have to describe what type of walking we did. And we did walking at a moderate pace at 3 miles per hour for 60 minutes. And then you click the calculate button. And that equals a total of 3.3 miles. Next, we'll do another activity here. I enter in my weight, and then I enter in the time that we did this activity for. And then for this activity, I'm going to choose Pilates. So we did a Pilates class for 60 minutes, and we choose select specific activity. And once again, we got to choose Pilates twice, and then we calculate the METs. And that was equivalent to 4 miles walked. So we'll go ahead and try another activity here. This time we're going to choose something that you wouldn't normally think of as walking in terms of miles. So I entered my weight and the total number of minutes I did this activity. So I did this activity for 120 minutes or 2 hours, and this time I did lawn and garden activity. And the type of lawn and garden activity I did for 2 hours was raking the lawn. There were lots of leaves on my lawn. And then you calculate the METs, and that was equivalent to 8.6 miles walked. So we'll do one more example of using this calculator, and this time I can enter in my pounds, how much I weigh, and then the total number of minutes, which was 60, and this time I did bicycling for 60 minutes. And then I have to choose the type of bicycling I did, which was bicycling light effort, and I click calculate. And that was equivalent to 6 miles walked. So you would take these total miles and enter them into your individual mileage log, which you can download from the website. I already have mine downloaded, and it's saved in my documents folder in a folder called Watt Miles. And I would open up my weekly Watt Miles individual mileage log PDF. I would enter in these miles values, save the form, and email it to my team captain for this person to enter into the Walk Across Texas team account for my team. So just for example, I'm going to enter in some values for my week 2. I would save this file with my name and then week 2, and I would email it to my team captain or site manager, whoever's in charge of the account for my team. So I'll just click Save. Next, I'm going to show you how you can get to the calculator from other parts of the website. For example, when you sign into your account. So click the green Sign In button at the top of the page. And then I'm going to enter in my email address and password for my team captain account. And then I'm going to click Sign In. And then at the top right by the Sign Out button, there's a link that says Calculator, and you can get to the mileage equivalence calculator there too. And there's one other place where you can get to the mileage equivalence calculator, and that's by going to the miles walked screen, add edit miles, and then on the far right there's a link that says mileage equivalence or mileage equivalence calculator.